Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, what's up, welcome to another Patois Chronicles. Yes guys, you don't know it's Tuesday. Jamaica Tasty Cheese is found by Vincent Chang, guys, from 1966. You like to sit in there, read it. You come to Jamaica, you have to taste it. So over there on the buckle, are your buckler aisle you broke? You want to say at the buckler aisle you broke? Watch this entire video now and stay tuned. Leave a comment. Boom. First panelist, Iazar. Here in Jamaica, this is pretty much a saying. Him too Iazar, or him Iazar. She not hearing no, him not hearing no, Iazar. Yes, alright, try it now. Iazar. Alright? Just take your time with yourself, alright, till we get it. It's not that hard enough. You can do it, alright? So you're coming to Jamaica and you hear them say Iazar. Soon see in English translation and thing what it mean. But simply you're in Jamaica and you talk to your children or family, them now listen to what you say, or them end up in the same problem over and over. You tell them this. You know your Iazar? In two Iazar. You know from when me I tell him about it, them not hear. You know from when me I tell her and she not listen to what me I say? Iazar. Here in Jamaica, of course, Iazar. English translation, stubborn. English translation in the sentence for when we give this in a patois, he or she is too stubborn. So you can put it in your sentence, alright? And bear things. No, you're too Tommy, you're too stubborn. You see the next panelist, ball holla. Of course. Nobody ball and holla. Nobody ball man soon come. Hey, nobody holla, you holla too much man. Your mama, some will say your mama gonna walk. Your ball for. You love holla, tapi holla in. Or tapi ball in. Yes. And somewhere, some places over in Jamaica, they will give you even more, be more dramatic. Hey, your back tapi nice. You must have to shut up your mouth. Shh. Yes, and you might say, oh my God, that looks like child abuse. I'm gonna, where's the number? Let me just leave people business alone and not child abuse. Jamaican picking them something wrong with them ears, in a work well. So you have to make them know that type of balling. We are ball for nothing. I just still forgot beard and you are ball. We are ball for. And the English translation for that is cry. Some of you might know ball, but here in Jamaica we and I think it might spell a bit different too. Patois hard to spell. And the sentence is, don't bother crying. He'll come back sooner. She'll come back sooner. Mommy soon come. Alright? So you have alpha. Listen, me bring video, me not come in a shot. So you have alpha. Me there. Next panelist. That. Boom. That's my brother. That over there, so. See him there? Womanizer. I'm a brother. Sawa. Nobody like him. Kinda not figure right now. Me not burn him foot, but no bother. That I just said right there, that I'm a brother. You will soon get it. It's kind of funny because I did say this to my brother years ago. When he used to pretend, and these girls, oh my God, in Jamaica you say yam head, because them see the car keys. That's why these things don't bother me. So bother that you must pronounce, say that is that. Alright, so yeah, made we don't talk about that already. The video there's somewhere down. Just watch all of the Patois video, you get the clarity on that. But that in Patois is that in English, and the sentence translation is my brother. Alright, and yes, a buckle. Yeah, just a run left me, so wait me just a run, so G's and P's and me they be on a time. Oh, I will break it back la aisle. A who broke it? Hey, a who broke it buckle a aisle? Yes, buckle a aisle. So nobody no want to tell me a who broke the buckle a aisle. And them time they know they go get green bush and rub up in our anchor. We say when I want the lick for soak. Oh my God, Jamaica. We are so unique. I mean, guys that come to Jamaica, you want to know, no? Understand our language. Just always remember that our expression, you know, cultural difference might cause a problem, but you don't know the thing said. Here in English translation, buckle in Patois, bottle. Alright? Who brought the bottle of oil? And that's what I was saying in Patois. Alright, so I pretty much changed Patois up now. Instead of giving you English language, I give you the English translation for what I said, and also the translation for the sentence or what I said. Alright? So next on the list, I'm not even tell you what there, we can't even say it out loud, but send me a shit a zinc. Shit. I hope I don't get any. Oh my God, this is crazy. But yes, here in Jamaica, you will hear, you can come across here and say, shut up your mouth, you shut up your mouth, yeah, send me a shit a zinc, and you might say, what? Why do you speak like that? Why do you have to, oh my, is something wrong with her tongue? His tongue? Is something wrong with his mouth? What is she? Can you buy that here? It don't actually mean that what you're thinking, but yeah, you hear the senti people them a lot with this one, alright? English translation, sheet. Sell me a sheet of zinc. Alright, so you can comment down below, and the word for today is zinc. Yes guys, yes, we have come to the end of another Patois video. Looking forward to seeing Morning Glory at 6 a.m. Let's come back to its usual time, and the video not done yet now because I have a good show to show that. So thank you for watching. Yes, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Also please to remember to give a thumbs up the video, share out the video. Yes guys, and check out my members them in the description box. Also my daughter channel, yes, Jessie's World, and of course Mama Ear channel come Jazzy Beauty Bar, that's my business place, and of course Active Faith Ministries, yes, coming pretty soon. So guys, you know, have a good week, have a good day. And yes, the shout out, I'm gonna say the first shout out, yes, go to Doreen Hobby TV. Guys, go over there, watch a video, yeah, watch, leave her a comment, and say no, I see the shout out of Neisha James TV. Big up yourself, she'll get back to you. Take care now, bye.